Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a tanning video today. I actually think this is the first tanning video I've ever done on my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I have my tan lasting 2 weekends, so up to 10 days. So honestly, there's not too much of a trick to it, but I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get this lovely color right here using my LeTan Uberstay. So yeah, I'm not going to try and ramble on in this intro because I literally cannot stop rambling on, but whatever. But I will have all the links to LeTan down below, as well as the link to the product that I'm using and my socials, of course, if you want to check them out. But yeah, that's really it. I hope you do enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm just popping this footage in now because I accidentally just deleted the footage, but Wednesday night I went and I had a bath, not because I normally take baths to prep for tan, but just because I didn't want to get my hair wet. So I had a bath and I had a bath bomb, so I was lazy, didn't want to get my hair wet, and I needed to use a bath bomb, so I had a bath. It was lovely. And I shaved my legs and I completely exfoliated. I just used an exfoliating mitt and also my Soap and Glory Scrub of Your Life, just to get everything off. So I'm literally so pale right now. But yeah, I just wanted to throw that clip in here because I just deleted it and I realized what I did after. So yes, so we can keep a good record of this so we know it's all genuine. It is 5:26. Oh my gosh, Thursday the 14th of November. So I have to edit a video and I'm going to do my online groceries, so I have a bit to do and then I'll cook dinner. So I am going to go ahead and apply my tan. My skin is all prepped, I'm ready to go, my hair is washed, it's great, I'm ready. So the tan we are going to be using, as you probably already know, is the LeTan Uberstay. I have this one in the green base, which is for all skin tones, but I also like the violet base, I'm pretty sure, or the ash. I don't know, I think I've actually used them all and I love them. But they are, so this one's for all skin types. There's one for more olive skin types and more fair skin types. So whatever you just kind of fancy using based on your skin, you can use. I've used this 2 times already and it's already pretty full. Not bad considering it lasts 2 weeks. So this does go for 2 weekends because I put it on Thursdays and I normally leave it on for 12 days. It doesn't patch off, it fades off, which is really, really good. So I don't mind leaving it for the extra days. But yeah, it literally lasts a whole 10 days. It looks so good. And the only way like I can sort of measure, besides obviously this video, but I don't normally do this, but I haven't done, like, I haven't actually kept like a photo or video record of it aside from like Instagram. The only way I've really been noticing that it is consistently staying on is I've been using the same shade of dark foundation, dark for me, consistently over the 10 days, and that's the only way I know that it's literally staying on perfectly, because I've not had to go lighter like in between. So I've been using the same one consistently, and that's how I'm measuring the greatness of this product so far. Also, I wanted to point out that I have been using LeTan for years. I used it in high school. I think it was like the first tan I ever bought before I even got into high school. And as I said in the video earlier, I get eczema on my legs, like really, really, really itchy. And because it is a fragrance free, I feel like it doesn't react with my eczema. So I can wear this and it doesn't make my eczema flare up at all, which is incredible, because there are many really good tans out there, but I just, like, it's not worth my skin exploding for. And I just love the formula they use, and this lasts so long. But I'm gonna stop banging on. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's start. I'm also gonna be using their mitt. You should always use mitt, otherwise you're gonna have really weird colored hands. But yeah, let's get into it. So I've just applied it to one leg, as you can see. Wow. So once my legs are all done, I just move on to my back. I do this first so that my arms just don't have to like moving in these weird positions, so it can dry properly. I could get my boyfriend to do this, but he hates it, so I do it myself. And if I screw up, that's okay, because It's not me that has to stare at my back. I feel like I'm pretty good at it. No one's ever said it looks bad. Also, I hope this is in the frame, but every time I tan, I'm obviously gonna wear just like black undies, top. This is a seam-free bralette boob tube thing from Cotton On Body, and I like it because it's just very comfortable to wear while I tan, and it doesn't have straps, so it doesn't leave a mark. Okay, so then quickly before I go in and tan my arms and stuff, I'm just gonna, this is the moisturizer I've been using. This is just the Eczema and Psoriasis cream from Moo. So I'm just gonna apply this on my wrists and the backs of my hands. I've already applied it here just so it doesn't stick. So yeah, this is my worst spot, is my hands and here. So tans never like to stick to my chest. It's so annoying. All right, let's go. I do about 3 pumps per arm. Also, probably look a bit rough on camera if you can see that. That's not the tan, that is, I just don't tan my arms. I don't shave my arms. I shave my armpits, don't worry. I don't shave my forearm because I have blonde hair and you actually can't see it. So, unless I'm obviously tanning over it, but it'll look fine once it's all washed off, so no worries. Then for my most favorite part, my chest. My neck and everything is like my most favorite part. I just go right up to my jawline. It's just the most satisfying thing for me ever to leave it. Okay, so my tan is all done now. I probably look crazy. You can see the difference there. So you should leave this tan on for a minimum of 3 hours. I'm gonna leave mine on till about 11. So that gives me 5 hours of development. And then I will wash it off. I would probably recommend sleeping in it if you can, but I just don't feel it necessary because I feel like it sticks to my skin pretty well and it looks the same after the 6 hours and it's pretty developed. So because I do it earlier, I feel like I can get away with it. Also, my dog licks me in my sleep and I don't want my tan to come off because of that. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. Fresh guide color. So we'll wash the guide color off in 5 hours, 6 hours, I don't even know. And yeah, go from there. So I'll see you then. I just finished making my dinner. Sorry, that was been about like 20 minutes. I just let it kind of settle for a second. I actually caught a lot of like the lettuce, like the water from the lettuce on my arm, which was really stupid, but whatever. And so now I've just put on just like a really loose top. I would probably recommend not wearing white unless you don't really care about it. So I've just got this red top on, and also I've also put on some leggings because I want to be comfortable when I'm sitting down. So just to stop the transfer, mainly it's not because I think the tan is going to smudge, it's because I don't want to get myself on places. So yeah, safety in clothing, I guess. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I actually haven't washed it off yet. It looks pretty good. I haven't messed it up yet. Fantastic. And it's actually 12:43, so I have had it on for 7 hours now. So yeah, let's go ahead and wash the guide color off and go to bed. Okay, so I've washed off the guide color now, and this is what it looks like. I honestly don't think it looks that much different. It still looks pretty dark to me. I did just scrub a little bit of it off of my face while it was still a bit wet, just so it wasn't such a harsh line. But that's just on my face anyway, so that doesn't really count. But it is going to continue to develop for about 4 to 6 more hours, so I will check in again for day 1. Good morning. It is Friday. It is the next day, and it is officially day 1. I wasn't actually going to keep filming before I did my makeup, but I just wanted to show you the difference between my natural skin and my chest this morning. I feel like it's just kind of a good guide. Also, I'm about to start putting the foundation that I wear with this tan for the next 2 weeks. I'm not even joking. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has had a lot of time to develop, and I'm so happy with the color, so I'm going to go ahead and start my day. Okay, so I'm all ready for the day now, so it is officially day 1 of the tan. I just want to show you my hands. I think they look great. I always get like this weird line there anyway, so just ignore that. My neck, my armpits, my chest, all good. My legs are really tan, obviously. I'm literally so lazy. That's why I think this tan will work for anyone, because I'm the laziest person when it comes to tanning. So if I can do it and it works for me without coming off, you'll be fine. So yeah, I guess I will just come back, and this is what you guys are here for, so I'll come back and update you every day. See you tomorrow. Happy Monday, it's day 4. It is day 6. Good morning. It looks so good still, like. Day 7, I'm actually gonna go get my hair done. That's why I kind of look like a bum. But day 7, still looking good. Yeah, not the best way to show it off, but I promise. I guess you can see like the color difference between my face and my neck, which is always like a good indication that it's still on. But yeah, if I put a more appealing outfit on later, you can see that day 7 still looks good. Hello, it is day 8. Still looking really tan. And tomorrow is weekend 2 of the tan, so pretty excited. And actually I have an event to go to, so I'm pretty happy that, you know, I don't have to reapply that. Pretty good. See you tomorrow. Day 9, happy Saturday. Still looking very tan. And still using the same foundation. Day 9, still looking good. Can't really see it because I'm wearing a t-shirt obviously, but and not count. Today is actually day 11, so yesterday was day 10, officially 10 days. And it is Monday the 25th, so this is officially day 11. And 10, I'm probably, I don't know if I'll scrub it off tonight or Wednesday. It still looks normal. As I said, I will start getting patching around my armpits, but that happens every time and only around like day 10 and 11. Other than that, my legs, they're all good. Yeah, that is this video. Ended day 11, even though I said, I said yesterday was day 9, and then I got really confused. So today is day 11. This is the last day of the video. I cannot believe it's been 11 full days. This is, I think, the 3rd time I've done this fully, and it looks so good every time. And yeah, So that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and maybe this convinced you to get this tan, because I literally swear by it. I love it. I love the color of it. I love how it doesn't really, what is the word, like flake off. It doesn't go patchy, it just fades. So I love that. I already have my next refill bottles and everything. I'm ready to go. I'm not giving up on this one. This is a staple for me, and I'm like super lazy, so to only have to tan like once a week, not even once a week, like I can get 2 weekends out of this. Like, that's insane. But I really do hope you guys have enjoyed seeing my daily check-ins, so you can see how the tan still looks. And honestly, I could probably leave it till Thursday, but I'm probably just gonna not scrub it off, but just be a bit more rough. I don't know. So I will reapply on Thursday, and we will start this whole fun process. But as I said, I'll have all the links to the products I use linked down below. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I will have all my links down below as well if you want to check me out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.